Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and update on Arbitrum and the ARB coin. Wanted to take a quick look at it. We'll take a look at some fundamentals, but we'll mostly focus on the technicals, as I know most of you are interested in that. And I can say some things about it I think that have some value, but I'll leave that up to you, of course. It's up to you whether it has value or not. But before we get into Arbitrum, and we'll start with the fundamentals very briefly, don't worry, but and then onto the technicals. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join that. But alright, first of all, the fundamentals, because we haven't taken a look at that in a while now. So we'll take a look at the daily active addresses, daily transactions, and total value locked. What you can see is that the total value locked has reached its top at around 2.3 billion at the beginning of April, when we were also still very bullish, as you can see. Price was very high, and a lot of that TVL is in Arbitrum tokens. And since then it has dropped down a bit, but I would still consider it as bullish. Daily active addresses, they could be better though. And the daily transactions are also slightly dropping down. I mean, there was this. This obviously did not happen, or it seems to have been a glitch. But still, either way, it's in a bit of a downtrend. I don't think that will matter that much. I even think with way lower numbers, it should be ranked higher in terms of market cap. But that's just my personal opinion. For now, the big question is, technically, will we drop down to that $1, $1.05 level? Because yesterday we talked about that we would probably find resistance here between 1.22 and 1.25, and then drop down to 1.1 again, which is what we did. We also found support at 1.1, but now, I mean, at some point, I still believe that Arbitrum will rally. It's just analyzing and monitoring at what point that will be. So for example, it could also be from 1.1 here. But what we would need to do, in my opinion, then is, well, now we have this major resistance level. I would argue that it ranges all the way from 1.23. I'm going to delete this real quick. It makes it look cleaner. From 1.03 with the 100 EMA and the 302 FIB, all the way down to this level right here at 1.19, 1.18 even, and around that 50 EMA and 0.302 FIB of this. Well, of a previous FIB level. So altogether, it's just there's so much resistance that I do not think we can easily break through that, especially not while Bitcoin, even though in the recent hours it's bullish, it's still at major resistance now. So there's no guarantee that will continue. So I actually think it's more likely that we will drop back down to 1.1 and actually drop down to that 1.05, $1 level. Where the most likely support is actually coming around 1.05, I think. That usually happens, that when you have a psychological level, that kind of 5 cents and 5 cents above and 5 cents below become the strongest levels. But we'll have to see. I mean, if for some reason we can break above this, if for some reason we can at least break above 1.22, then there's a big chance that we will still rally from here. All right, it's a possibility. Crypto sometimes is unpredictable. This is a realistic scenario, but I would give it, in terms of a probability, I would give it like 25%. So still really, still quite a high percentage chance, but not the highest. So I felt like, given all of the circumstances. So yeah, that's why this is my analysis and my take. For now though, if you do have any questions, then let me know. But take care today. Thank you for watching, and bye.